Welcome my friends, you are on this page right now because you want to attract more money in your life, or you are suffering from lack of money. That's why you are here. So learn the technique to attract more money in your life easily, naturally and effortlessly. That's right my friend. Right now you might have tried different kind of methods to attract money, maybe affirmations, maybe visualization, maybe law of attraction techniques. It works a little bit or may not work, because affirmation doesn't work all the time. Visualization also work, but they are because of negative programming in your subconscious mind, your negative belief, your past trauma, past experience, you are not able to attract the right kind of people and opportunities in your life. That happened with me also, it might have happening with you right now, my friend. Now, this technique called, which I have developed, which I am using for more than 30 years personally, and using it with the top level sportsmen to become successful, plus the CEOs of the companies to come out of their problem and solve solution and attract the opportunity they want. This technique is called Hypnotic Magic Question. This is my trademark course, trademark premium course. Here you learn how to ask the right question. Now my friend, listen carefully. Questions are the most important thing. Yes my friend. And most of the time we are asking the wrong questions. Now there are two kinds of people, wealthy people and poor people, or the people who have a lack of money. They ask themselves a different kind of question. With wealthy people ask different kind of question. Now why question work? Because questions demand answers. And the moment you ask the right kind of questions, subconscious mind's job is to search for the answer and give you the answer. It might have happened a number of times in the past for you. Most of the inventor, they invented something. They were asking themselves initially the wrong question because they are focusing on the problem, and then suddenly they start asking the right question and write the right verb, they got the answer and solution to your problem. Now when I work with the sportsmen, my friend, work with the people, when they are not able to find out what they want, I ask them to ask the right question, because previously they are asking the wrong question. The moment they ask the question, the right question, my friend, within less than 10 seconds they get the answer. Yes my friend, subconscious mind is so powerful, it is connected to the universal mind. So if it doesn't have, you get it from the universal mind. So my friend, questions are the most powerful. Wealthy people ask the right question, and right now we like a normal people, sometimes we ask the wrong question and we attract the wrong opportunities. Now what this course will do, this is the first time I am conducting this course. We have conducted even a small course in the past on the Zoom to my previous students. Now this is a 3-day Zoom workshop, 1.5 hours to 2 hours every day for 3 days. You will experience the power of questions, and the day first only you will be able to start getting answer to your problems, start solving your problem, just asking the right question. Now how much time it takes to get answer from your subconscious mind? It will surprise my friend. You will really surprise my friend. It takes less than 9 seconds, my friend. Listen carefully. Less than 9 seconds. I work with the sportsmen. They have a problem, sir. I don't know what to do. They just ask the right question. Instantly they get the answer. So my friend, the questions are very powerful. Now these are hypnotic magic questions. Why? Because the hypnotic magic question talk to your subconscious mind and dig into your subconscious mind, and immediately your subconscious mind get into the search engine. They become a search engine and get the ideas and give it to you instantly. Number of times this happened to you. Let me give you one example. You might have met a person in the past, and after 10 days you started thinking about that person and you are not able to recall his name. Then you ask yourself the right question. What is the name of that person? What is the name of the person? And then suddenly, when you stop thinking about that person, the name comes in. What happened? Your subconscious mind goes for the search and give you the number, give you the name of that person. Happened to you? Same way, I've created a very powerful course to attract money in your life, attract wealth in your life, asking the right question, my friend. So you really want to learn it? Let me tell you what you are going to learn in this workshop. Now, let me give you some examples why we are suffering. Because of the lack of money, inability to pay bills, accumulating debt, you are getting more and more credit card debt, limited access of necessary, strained relationship. Money is one of the main reason you have a problem in your life, my friend, if you are husband and wife. If you lack of money, always there is a stress, and because of that children are suffering. Poor credit score, poor quality of your life, and you don't get the opportunities. The opportunities are everywhere, but we are asking the wrong question, and we don't attract the opportunities by asking the right question. You start attracting the right opportunity instantly, my friend. You will learn first what the wealthy people, first you will learn why the question works, because this is important. You need to know why the question works, why the hypnotic magic question works. Then you will learn what the wealthy people ask questions and what you are not doing. And then to attract money, you need to have three things in your life. First is, to attract money, you need to ask the right question to attract wealthy and wealth. We are asking the wrong question. Why I am not getting money? Why I am not making money? These are wrong questions. So you will learn more than 100. We'll give you 10, but 90 more will give you as a bonus questions to attract wealth in your life. Number one. Number two, you need more opportunities. Now here again, you will get a very powerful hypnotic magic questions, more than 100. You will get there to attract opportunity. You don't need all of the 100. You go through it, whichever you require, you can do it, which you will learn in the workshop. And then you need an abundant mindset. Now mindset is very, very important. If you are a poor mindset, you cannot attract anything in your life. But how to change it? First off, you know there are 10 different abundant mindset which you are going to learn in the workshop. Then the most important thing is how to ask the right question to activate that abundant mindset in your subconscious mind. It's all there, my friend. Everything is here. We don't know how to activate. And then you will learn with the questions. Then, my friend, you will learn a very powerful technique. Listen carefully, my friend, which is my hidden resource activation, my trademark course, where I work with the sportsman, so you can instantly activate all these 10 state of mind whenever you want, where you want, and start attracting more money in your life. The hidden resource activation is the most powerful technique, my friend. This is a technique you are going to learn and incorporate with the question in a way that you instantly get the answer and your mind is already activated. Part of your mind activated to attract those things very, very quickly and fast. Now this is the hidden source activation technique which I normally don't teach. You are going to learn in this workshop to use it to attract wealth in your life. Then we'll give you another technique to attract luck. We believe my luck is not there. You will learn a very powerful question to attract luck in your life. Now this is a practical, no theory workshop. We'll be giving you questions, you'll be asking questions to yourself, and you feel the difference then and there only, my friend, within a few seconds. Then you learn a step-by-step method how to ask the questions and what are the things to be done to attract. But sometimes you may get an instant result with one answer, but we don't want one answer. We want more than 10 so that we have a choice to use what we want. So this is how you're going to learn how to ask the right question and how to and when to and what are the rituals you have to do to write questions so that you can start getting right answers and right opportunity and start getting more money in your life naturally, easily and effortlessly and very, very quickly, my friend. This technique takes less than 10 seconds. Now, what you are going to get in this workshop, let me tell you. You will get, now we have created a one Zoom workshop in Hindi. This workshop is going to have, we do in mostly in English. Sometime we may use some Hindi little bit, but we have conducted for my own student 1.5 hours Zoom workshop on attracting wealth. That is more than 2,000 rupees you will get as a bonus. Number two, you will get 52 hypnotic magic questions, different magic questions, and this is a very, very powerful questions with different type of opportunity you can attract. This is a separate thing you get. Then 100 hypnotic magic questions for attracting money, 100 hypnotic magic questions for attracting opportunities, and 10 we are going to practice in the workshop. 90 you can keep it and then you can practice of your own later on. 10 magic questions of 10 abundant mindset to attract. If we said 10 mindset to attract the money, 10 different mindset you require to activate those. You will get 10 questions of each. Now then you get hypnotic magic question to attract luck. Then, my friend, hidden resource activation is a trademark course, which technique you will learn how to attract money, how to attract any part of your mind to attract money in your life naturally and easily. Now listen, my friend, normally this is the fee for this workshop is normally 30,000 rupees plus you get a bonus material. How many bonus you are getting? Listen carefully, my friend. 2,000 rupees bonus of that Zoom recording as a bonus, which will get a downloadable link to download. Then 52 special questions which are more than 5,000 rupees. 100 hidden magic questions for attracting wealth, money. 100 which is also 2,000. 100 hidden magic questions for attracting new opportunities in your life, which is very, very important, because the previous programming you are not able to attract, you are blocking them, you start attracting more opportunities. 10 magic questions, which is also 2,000. 10 magic questions, which is more than, very powerful, more than 5,000 rupees. Hypnotic magic question attract luck, which is again 5,000 rupees. Hidden, recorded, our hidden resource activation, my friend. For a 3 short session, I charge 30,000 rupees, which is also you are going to learn to attract money, activate the part of your mind to attract money in your life. This is totally goes more than 77,860, including the bonuses, including GST. Now, Hypnotic Magic Question, which is my premium course, which I first time giving on Zoom. So you will be my founder students in this. So I'm not going to charge you 77,880 rupees, not even half, not even 30,000. In fact, my HRA only people pay me 30,000 plus GST. Not even 15,000, not even 10,000, my friend, not even 5,000. For the right now, immediately when you register for the limited time period, this is right now only 2,000 rupees plus GST, that comes to 2,350 with all the bonuses. So my friend, if you really want to become a financially abundant in your life, attract more money, attract more opportunity, attract more luck, become wealthy and enjoy your life, my friend, this is the course for you. Now my friend, once this workshop is over after 3 days, even first day only, you will experience magic in your life, because the name of the course is Hypnotic Magic Questions. So there is a magic in your life. Now imagine overcoming your financial struggles, reducing stress and enjoy a high quality of a life. Our step-by-step process makes it easy to follow and implement these life-changing techniques. Now my friend, don't let this chance go away. Don't let financial stresses hold you back any longer. Join our Hypnotic Magic Question trademark course to attract money today and start your journey towards financial freedom. Do this right now, my friend. Join it right now and see you in the workshop, and all the best. Thank you very much.